Okay, now let's discuss a few best practices that apply to Compute Engine. First of all, always ensure that proper permissions are given to control access to resources. Projects form the basis for creating, enabling, and using all GCP services, including managing permissions for GCP resources. Build for success and utilize projects and IAM roles to control access. Host Compute Engine resources on the same VPC network where they require network-based communication. If the resources aren't related and don't require network communication amongst themselves, consider hosting them on different VPC networks. Secure connections to public cloud providers are a concern for all organizations. You can securely extend your data center network into GCP projects with Google Cloud Interconnect or Google Cloud VPN. Use cloud audit logging to generate logs for API operations performed in Google Compute Engine. Audit logs help you determine who did what, where, and when. Specifically, audit logs track how your Compute Engine resources are modified and accessed within your Google Cloud Platform projects for auditing purposes. By default, users in your project can create persistent disks or copy images using any of the public images or any images that project members can access through IAM roles. You may want to restrict your project members so that they can create boot disks only from images that contain approved software that meets your policy or security requirements. You can define an organization policy that only allows Compute Engine VMs to be created from improved images. This can be done by using the Trusted Images policy to enforce images that can be used in your organization. This allows you to host organization-approved hardened images in your GCP environment. Hardening a custom OS image will help you reduce the attack surface for your instance. Making hardened images available in your organization can help you reduce your organization's overall risk profile. However, if you create a custom image, formulate a plan on how to maintain the image with security patches and other updates. Subscribe to GCE image notification announcements to receive release notes and other updates regarding public GCE images. This will be of interest to anyone looking to keep up with the latest information about Google Compute Engine images. Feel free to subscribe. Compute Engine doesn't automatically update the OS or the application software on your deployed instances. You will need to patch or update your deployed Compute Engine instances when necessary. However, in the cloud, it is not recommended that you patch or update individual running instances. This could end up being a lot of work and risks a chance that something could be missed in the process. Instead, it is best to patch the image that was used to launch the instance and then replace each affected instance with a new copy. In general, Google recommends that each instance that needs to call a Google API should run as a service account with the minimum permissions necessary for that instance to do its job. In practice, this means that you should configure service accounts for your instances with the following process. Create a new service account rather than using the Compute Engine default service account. Grant IAM roles to that service account for only the resources that it requires. And configure the instance to run as that service account.